Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about a place that I just learned about and just went to today, and I'm kind of selfishly not wanting to tell you guys about it, but I'm going to because it's so great and I don't want them to close and I want them to be really successful so it stays. So I'm gonna tell you guys about it. My dad had a coworker give to him a pamphlet about this new store that was opening up that has furniture and just a bunch of items that are used items that were for sale again. So you can go and find like furniture to redo or maybe something you like and you want to put it in your house. So I was like, oh, that's awesome. I've been to tons of stores like that. So let's go check it out, and it's local, close to where I live. And I was kind of like, I don't know what to expect. Maybe they didn't get many items because it's their first time open, and they're only open from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And so I was just like, let's see, no, I didn't have like high expectations or anything, but let me tell you, it was way better than I expected. So let's head there. So you just saw us unload the first load that we brought back. We had to go back and pick up the rest of the stuff that we bought because it didn't all fit in the back of the truck. But let me tell you that this store will be something, when it's open, will be something I'm going to all the time for projects and for anything to reuse. They even had like lumber and stuff there for really, really cheap. Like, I'm so excited that it's local and that I get to go to it and it's cheap and it's awesome. Okay, sorry. I'm just so excited about it. It was amazing. And they were so kind. They will literally, you bring the ticket to the counter and they'll go pick it up and put it in your car for you. You don't have to touch it at all until you get home. And if you're wondering how they get or acquire things, you can go and drop off any of your stuff and you just pay $5 to drop off anything. They do have a list, which I'll put on the screen, of what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. But if you have any extra things that you're just trying to get rid of, definitely take it to this place. They have a Facebook page that you can go follow. I'll put the link in the description, as well as show you what it looks like on the screen. I'm sure they have, since they're so new, they probably have different hours that they're open. So if you want the most up-to-date information on this, you should follow their Facebook page. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so I'm out in the garage, and I just wanted to show you guys the things that I got for some projects that are going to be coming up on my channel. And just remember, I got each project for $10. So this first one I'm going to show you is a table and chairs, $10 for the whole thing. That's just insane. That's insane. And then I got this like kind of like, not nightstand, but side table kind of thing. Super cute. I have a really cute idea for it, but that also was only $10. And then here's this just adorable little table. Again, very dirty, needs to be cleaned up. Has 2 leaves on each side. I don't know if those are called leaves, but extensions. Cute little legs. And here are the chairs that it came with. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. But I have some fun things planned for this table set. It's so cute. I kind of wish I could keep it, but don't worry, it'll be for sale once it's finished. So here's the side table, nightstand kind of thing. It's a little dirty, needs to be cleaned up. Cute. And then you can probably see that we have a bunch of these old cabinets. This is technically not my project. My dad found these at the place that I talked about. He found them at the Restore Reuse store. And we have some cool plans for what we're gonna upcycle these to be. They're obviously originally like kitchen cabinets, but we're gonna turn them into something else, and hopefully I get to be a part of that project and take you guys with me. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this. Again, if you're local, go ahead, check them out. Their Facebook page is in the description. Like, I'm beyond excited that we have that now. So yeah, cool. See you guys in the next video.